Makita to Dewalt and Milwaukee Battery Adapter. Following are 3 adapter for Makita 18V lithium-ion power tools. Convert Milwaukee 18V or Dewalt 20V lithium-ion battery to Makita 18V lithium-ion battery. Number 1 adapter for convert Milwaukee 18V or Dewalt 20V to Makita 18V battery. This Makita to Dewalt Battery Adapter Use for Makita 18V cordless tools with slide pack batteries. Convert Milwaukee 18V or Dewalt 20V lithium-ion battery to Makita 18V lithium-ion battery. DM18M battery converter converts for Milwaukee and for Dewalt 18V lithium batteries to Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries. Allows for use of 18V lithium batteries and replacement batteries in most batteries from Milwaukee. More details and professional review, please check the link in the description.